Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can earn free crypto using your PC. So this is what we have earned so far.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
We will learn how you can earn BAT crypto and Cirus. Now to earn free BAT crypto, open any browser and search for Brave browser. This is the one, click on it and download Brave. Basically, the Brave browser is also like another browser like Chrome, Safari, etc. but it's light and fast too. Anyway, let me install it. So the browser has been installed. Now simply use this browser for your daily works and you will earn BAT. Now simply click here and go to settings. Click on Brave Rewards. Start using Brave Rewards. I'll skip the tour and done. Now Brave will display some ads and if you click on it, you will earn some Brave rewards. Clicking on it is not mandatory, but you will earn more crypto. This is an example of how Brave ads pop up. You can choose to close or click on it. Now this is auto contribute. If this is turned on, every month you will be sending some BAT to the publishers. So we usually turn this off. Now that's all about it. Simply start using this browser and you will earn BAT crypto. Go to wallet, get started, give a password. I understand. Copy this phrase to a notepad and continue. Now arrange it as it was earlier and verify. So you will see your balance here. Anyway, this way you can earn BAT crypto. You will see your earnings here. Now for the other crypto, search for Cirus Foundation. Here's the current value. This is the official site. Let me open it. You can browse through the site to find more information about Cirus, what it is and all other details. Anyway, now download Cirus extension. This can also be added to Google Chrome browser, add to Brave, add extension. So the extension has been added. Click here and click on Cirus. You can create a new user, fill out your email, first name and password. Since I have the account, let me log in. So by far, these are the total rewards earned. Thus, this is how you can earn BAT crypto and Cirus. Thank you very much.